guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Let's go, my people, my spontaneous reaction to the idiotic video this idiotic spaceship from the pit of hell did against Essence. We are celebrating AC Milan's victory today, but eventually I have to come on air to counterattack her point, because I will not in anyhow, anywhere, keep silent and let an idiot cast aspersion on the characters of Essence worldwide. I've been prominent in this fight against anybody put Essence down, and I still remain in that fight. Omila, Akim, you and your cohort, the idiotic Mama G in Scotland, two illiterates from the pit of hell. You say you have a spontaneous reaction about speaking about how you speak about issues, but I'm reacting spontaneously against you. You have no right to say, even if you have any beef, any grievances with Mama Joy, to say you're going to beat Mama Joy and Essence and take both of Mama Joy and Essence on the same lane. That's a sacrilege on the part of Essence. We Essence worldwide, we are not in any way happy about that your stupid broadcast. That your broadcast was stupid, and it's an inciting broadcast. It can incite war between Essence and Benin. I never knew who gave you the role where you signed a contractual agreement with the Palace of Benin to fight against Oyomba in Europe. If there's anyone like that, please do and show the world that you'll be signed, that you'll be given a role to fight against people that the Palace have called whatever, which I'm not aware of. I'm not in any way aware of. Anyhow, anywhere, anybody gave you that role, I will get that role to you. You're just fighting a lost battle. You are fighting a lost battle. You speak the dirty part of your ugly self, your mouth, to everybody on this social media airspace. Say you're fighting for the Benin Kingdom. You are either in second, number 20, number 100, number whatever. Who gives a shit about you? Who cares about you? Are you so daft? Are you so idiotic? Are you so stupid? You say you are learned? I'm going to tell you that I'm more learned than you. Idiotic Omila Akim. And your stupid collaborator Mama G, and illiterate in the dark? In the dark? You in the dark fighting for a great... If you say the kingdom is great, why must it be you in the dark fighting for the kingdom? You are casting... You are a stigma to the kingdom, I swear. That's what you are. You are a stigma to the kingdom. There's a Benin Traditional Council to delegate their responsibility to anybody they want to arrogate any role to fight for them. Where on earth did the Benin Traditional Council say, Omila Akim in the dark, come fight to us? Make us speak in English, one of the year. We therefore talk and say, Omila Akim who dark, come fight to us. You dey fight to title, you dey investigate, number 200, security officer, chief investigator, idiot. But the word of God, sack you dead, Omila Akim. Let's just say I keep it crisis. You just they come out, they bring your dirty man, they come, say you they want to beat Essence. Who are you? Are the Essence monkey face? Are the Essence of Game family? Who started all this news on social media? Is it the Essence? What did they worry you? You know, if you find the problem from the taproot, maybe someone from the taproot. You don't want to come to the surface. They call it talk your stupid, dirty, ugly face. Where you hide? You say you want to come out. You go thief Alibaba picture, call the post. Show us your face. It's not too big. If you are rich, show us your face. If you are real, show us your face. You the wreck. Say you want come 2 months, they come offend you. You come 3 months, they offend you. You come next year. Omila Akim, you are dead among the living. You are non-existing. Show us your face. Mama Joy, don't show your face. Show us your face and stop hiding the dark. They give yourself. They hide your folly. They laugh stupid laugh. Make a go kill your mother. That idiotic, stupid Mama G for Scotland. What they for Scotland? We not fit arrange ourselves. English so they are mouth. Illiterates. Retired human traffickers. Come and answer be your problem. You know, they fear sense. You just take your mouth every time. They instigate this kind of war, make a sense and begin the fight. And what your problem? I answer your problem. That will be monkey face. That will be your game family. We just talk our own. If some few essence talk their own, fight people if they talk. The whole story not initiated from this land. Initiated from the land. We could have fight with our people first. Now we bring monkey face come social media. So never come on air to generalize and cast aspersion on all essence. That nobody will take it from you because some essence are so foolish, so docile, so they're not proactive. They go to wait. We essence are, but me, I'm very proactive. I go tell you what as it be. As it be. I'm not a coward. With the wrath of God strike you dead, Omila Akim. You are very stupid. I enjoy myself. You just say your dirty video. How many people you want to fight? How many people you only you go fight? How many people only you want to fight? Yeah, they hear say they fight a Star Majesty. Who made them for get you? Make you call people Uyomba. Omila, who arrogate you to the call people Uyomba? Say make you come fight. Show us the contract where you sign. What the traditional council? Call you say for your darkness, come fight for us. They don't give you Idia number 200. They call sign and say go in the dark, go to fight for Benin Kingdom. Show us that thing. So they call you say make you come fight for Benin Kingdom. You are just fighting in vain, creating more enemies for the Benin Kingdom. That's what you're doing. Go and press your depression and cure yourself of your depression. Nobody's saying message. Nobody send you message. Nobody know you. Nobody want to know you. Let the traditional authority come to play accordingly. Let anything that stood may come to play. First your dejected and frustrated life. Wash your ibon yash. Carry your small money. Carry your face come out. We will see you. Before we know who they talk to. That's why I turn the camera. You don't want to see my face. Because that's why they talk to two idiots, you and the idiotic fool in Scotland. You're not worthy to see my face. Two of them in the dark. I'm going to beat you, water. Go kill you. You say go beat your lessons. Where me are they here? Where you beat his ass? With the water of his head go kill you. How you go take beat his ass? No, some fool his ass when they fool themselves on social media. When they go sell themselves. How you want to beat his ass on social media? Are you stupid? Can you beat his ass? What for what can you beat his ass? Intellectual prowess for intellectual prowess, can you beat his ass? You are the most intellectual people in that state. You cannot beat us. So don't even go there. Don't think about it. Who are you? So you welcome beat his ass for social media. Make the wrath of his head kill you. All these people for worldwide go follow you. But you are not worth it. That's why I just want to tell you, say, you know what time. I choose not to speak to you what this one. Not because I'm afraid of you. I say you are frustrated, confused, very confused. Show yourself. You're going to take picture for AliExpress. Go show yourself. No, you dey beat Mama Joy, please, you do this. You show yourself. Man, we see Omila. Show yourself. Show yourself. How can you be representing I'm giving this a message to the International Council that they should call you to order because you're creating more damage. You're creating more damage. Who sent you? Who sent you? First, your frustrated human trafficking life without frustrate. Nobody sent you. Nobody say you want to come get self-redemption. Welcome reclaim past lost glory. You lost it all. You seriously lost it all. You don't lost it all. I say make I just cheat, make I not talk since. You can't show yourself as if maybe you don't become Odunga. You wait for be Odunga. Ugu they kill you, Milaki. What do they do in lies? Lies. Lies. You cannot talk truth. You dey fear. Why you don't talk to Star Majesty? Star Majesty does sing. He does praise who he want praise. He dey talk with cool voice. You know if you talk because if you saw that way go, you suck, they beat you. You dey fear some people. You don't if you talk to Monica because you fear Monica get some of your secrets. You say they fight for kingdom. Who has heard more than Monica on this those cyberspace? Idiot Omila Akim. Unda. Unogbabe. You hear what they open door for thief to enter house. Who send you message? Show us the contract where you sign. Show us the contract where they tell you, say, come fight in the dark. Which kingdom they give person power to go fight for in the dark? Show your face. The people will be behind you to tell you, we send you a message. Go and conquer. We are behind you. You in the dark fighting for Benin Kingdom. Are you not creating more damage to the Benin Kingdom? You're bringing shame and disgrace more to Benin Kingdom. In the dark. You're fighting for the palace. If they fight, who say your message? Show the contract with the sign. Omila Akim will give you this contract to go to social media to fight for Benin Kingdom. This is your mission certificate they give to you. Go and fight. You are in Benin Day. Let's see the video. Let's see your face. That this role was arrogated to you. To do it, you'll be in that your stupid back of your camera in the dark. You say they fight for Benin Kingdom. They fight for any tribe, the least tribe of the least tribe in any place or any part of the world in the dark. Are you talking to idiots? You are bringing shame and much more shame. You put the Benin Kingdom to a hall of shame. The more. That's you putting the Benin Kingdom in the hall of shame. The more. So let Benin Kingdom come up for your mouth. In as much as you're in the dark, let nobody hear anything about you talking about Benin Kingdom. If you want to talk about Benin Kingdom, show your face. This is me, Omila Akim. I've been sent on this mission based on whatever I've done in social media. They find me worthy to arrogate this role to me, to do it on behalf of my people. This is what we want to see. In addition of that, you are an impersonator, a scam of the worst order. Nothing of repute to be written home about you. That's what you are. An idiot for the pit of hell. An unschooled element want to come and bamboozle idiots of her kind. You think you can fool the people? Who cares about what you say? We don't care. Because we know you're fake. We know say you be fake. Nobody cares what you say. Now let fools they give you that's why you don't grow. You can never grow. Because everybody knows say you be fake. You be investigator. They're in SCG, number 200, number 500, number. God have mercy. Who have done this to this dejected, bipolar Benin? Some of these Benin retired prostitutes. Let me say some, not all. You are one of them, Omila Akim, and Mama G of Scotland. Both of you have birds of the same feather. You flock together. You are likely minds. Likely minds attract likely minds. That's what you people do. That's what is attracting both of you together, because both of you are dejected, frustrated. Come out and show your face. You all know me. I be Andromofuma. They know me. As now they call na papa name, make una call me any name, but they know me. Make we still know you, who you be. You say you fine, you beautiful. Let's see how beautiful you are. You be designer. The picture they do for AliExpress. You can't go blacker. You can't go whitener. Let's see who you are. Let's see who you are. It's not too big to answer. Let's see who you are. Common decency demands that we should know who they talk to us. Do it. Instead of that, you are insignificant, inconsequential, and very, very stupid. Idiot. Who you educate on social media? Who are you educating on social media? You educate illiterate like your type, where you learn English for school, for roadside. Those are your spontaneous English. You react spontaneously because you want to react. It's natural. We are sick and tired of this. Your lies. Your lies is sickening, dejecting. We don't want it anymore. We seriously don't want those your stupid lies anymore, Omila Akim. You and the stupid, idiotic Mama G in Scotland. Those are my lies. Because nothing good you support. You need to support evil, 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 evil. You're not direct. You're just on the fence. One day you go talk one good thing. Maybe a little bit good the other day. Never here or not there. Not consistent, not constant. Fighting for Benin Kingdom. Calling everybody the enemies of the land. By the time you finish calling everybody the enemy of the land, who will come remain? Who will come remain? Omila Akim. Who down? No go kill you a billion times. Make the vote of God kill you 1 billion times. Can they come out like the way I see they come out for all of now? Yes, me a chi. Can they make I just they watch, they observe. Then you gotta show yourself, no fear. Like your stupid, idiotic robber. Tell you certain sense. Wish you a collaborator. You just come. They say you go beat all this sand. The roadway you go take Mama Joy past and you go take all this sand. You just carry a whole tribe. So you go take all. What is that? Omila King, you've heard. That is a sacrilege on the part of Essence. You go hear from Essence. Mama Joy pay show must go on. Your picture will come out. We're going to see who you are. Who you be, we go see who you be. You just a cry wolf. And then let it be the patient. Let her patient go. Who get interest will go there. Who get interest will go there. The patient must walk. Who have interest must go there. But the wrath of God strike you dead, Omila King. Make I just cheese, make I just boof, make I just look at the sword. You want just go bite me for it when I want here. You insult my tribe. You cannot do it. I will not keep quiet when my trap is being rubbish on this social media. I will never keep quiet. Never. As a frontliner, fighting to make our people be redeemed from this oppression, I will not keep quiet from this stupid gutter mouth of yours in the dark, insulting Essence. You are very stupid. This is the tip of the iceberg. I'll be out for you later. I did somewhere. Thank God they see me like one. We are just flexing. I say, may I quickly give you small. Ogu they kill you, Omila King. Ogu they kill you. Show yourself. If you be human being, show yourself. Don't deceive yourself. They offend you. If you want come out 1 month, January, you call postponer. Omila King, you are nobody. You are a ghost. You are dead. One breast cancer patient. That's what you are. Show yourself. You should have that. Show yourself. The way they talk, say everybody not fine. Now you fine. Show yourself. If you want to do your video, you go too sweet. Show yourself. Let's see you. Stop rambling. Stop rambling in the dark. Stop making noise in the dark. Show yourself. That's what all well-meaning adults need from you now. Show yourself. Instead of that, you're a coward. Show yourself. You're that idiot in Scotland. Both of you should show yourself. Like we show ourselves. Idiot. Who I will get that rope to now? Show us what the stand for now. Where you go meet the secretary to the international council, God give you that power. Say, Omila King, go fight for Edo. Go fight for Yoruba. Go fight for people they call Yoruba. Who send you? Who send you this suicide mission you carry for your head? Who send you? Only they come out the song where this guy sing. The song where, what do they call her? Majesty, Star Majesty sing. You want to come there. Only you. You don't see how you frustrate. The other day, they make noise. Your Igbo, where they washing hands, they knock door. Omila King, you frustration, the smell follow you. If they still the ooze follow you. We know your story. You not get house. No Igbo house, you they washing hands. You be idiot. You be frustrated, bipolar patient. Idiot, that's what you are. You are a variable. Look at the people you associate with Veroba. If Papa, they suffer, they do conductor for Bini. I can buy Papa 2 cars. I can buy Via Papa 2 cars. We, the good people of social media, can buy Via Papa 2 cars so they do better transporting business. But we decide not to because if they not water, if they donate money to come and do, I will pay. Come and do, I will pay. To pennies worldwide, Papa they suffer. Papa will suffer well. But one day, you go get to a time, we will redeem it, Papa. We will take out the disgrace of social media. Because that one just work for Europe after 26 years. You know, get 10 by 10 land for Benin. Those are the people you associate with. You go tell you say the Kalo kwa. What you the Kalo kwa? You Kalo, you take laptop, they fuck or keke for your supposed baby father house. Is that an atrocity, abomination? The Kalo kwa, you the open to the show this Morege Francis for Bini. You the Kalokwa, you carry, you go to that man's house for Germany, they beat you, the Kalokwa. Is that enough for you to enter house? Who do not these things? That is you they take on a baby swear, then they make on another reasons as human being anymore. Who do not these things? This is enough for you to even enter house. If you are same, I've been at the one way Richard, Hunda, offend a rat. I lap meat, take fuck up a toilet for the mafia house. Who do not these things? It is all kick will not get what to talk. Who do not all these things? What's wrong with you people? Is it not enough for you people to enter house? You in the dark, they call yourself the NSA. You are stupid. They fight for kingdom. You are not worthy. You are not competent. as useless as you are, if you are the person fighting for Edo Kingdom, seriously, the palace should rethink. They should rethink, seriously. If you are the one fighting for the kingdom of Benin or social media, I think whoever in your wildest imagination that you thought arrogate that road to you, they should rethink. I know say this is hallucination on your part. Nobody in his same state of mind will ever think of you in the dark because say don't fight for Benin Kingdom. You are very stupid. You are worthless. Worthless. Much more worthless. More than the tissue paper I used to clean my axe. That's what you are, Akim. That's what you are. That is what you fucking are. You are an idiot from the pit of hell. Every epitome of stupidity is just attached to you. You are so idiotic, so stupid, so useless. No ramification. There's nothing to write home about you. This is my brief submission, my candid opinion about how you are just dejected, frustrated, being depressed, and a bipolar patient. That's what you are, Omila Akim. So this one are part one. You do any, I hear my name for your mouth, I will come back again for you. Do your worst. I will insult you. Where, water. You know how they do it before me. I will start them all over again. I don't care whose ass is being got this time around. I will insult you for you to bring your dirty mouth. Say you want to beat all his ass. You want to beat all his ass. You want to insult all his ass. Make the water of his head kill you. Now some people now put what they for na body. Now who say make una not bar for una. Now who put that for na body? Well, you can say uma go bar for you. Uma ban Edo United. You know if you bar, you don't already there. The cause has been there already. It is there. It's smelling, oozing all over social media. Who they kill una self? Not be una. Now we be now it's man be monkey face. Monkey face is from Benin. What of God strike you dead, Omila Akim.